Even though they look so eye-catching, they're actually assassins with lightning-fast reflexes, right? I'm back again to explore with you a type of creature that makes up 80% of all living organisms on Earth. They can be found anytime, anywhere, and in every habitat on this planet. With an overwhelming number of up to 10 million different species, insects constantly surprise us, leaving us shocked, amazed, and speechless with their endlessly varied appearances. That's why, in today's video, we're going to explore the most beautiful insects on Earth. Are you ready? Even if you're not, let's go! Number 1, the glass-winged butterfly. It's a butterfly and it's see-through? Well then, that's automatically beautiful, right? No need to argue. Okay, maybe some people need convincing, but I just had to take a good look at this one because it's truly stunning. With the English name glass-winged butterfly, this species belongs to the brush-footed butterfly family and is most commonly found in Mexico. It has a slender, delicate body and transparent wings that look like fragile glass panes. Because it's so delicate, it often chooses to lay eggs on toxic plants to help protect its offspring. The striped caterpillars then feed on these toxic leaves, which allows them to absorb alkaloids, chemical compounds that make them unappetizing to predators, even when they become fully grown butterflies. As the saying goes, if you lack strength, use your brain. Number 2, the rosy maple moth. Are all moths this pretty? Maybe not. But the rosy maple moth, whose scientific name is that long, complicated one you're seeing on screen, is truly gorgeous according to experts. Its name comes from its favorite snack, maple tree leaves. Its body is covered in soft, velvety colors, making many people mistake it for a child's toy. Unlike most moths that tend to wear dull, dark colors like brown or gray, this one flaunts vibrant pink and yellow hues. Even its tiny legs are a dreamy shade of pink, adding to its cuteness. Those tiny legs make sense though, because its wingspan averages only 3.2 to 4.4 centimeters for males, and 4 to 5 centimeters for females. During mating season, a female moth lays 20 to 30 pale yellow eggs on leaves. When the larvae grow, they dig a small hole and spin a cocoon underground, from which a colorful moth emerges. This short-legged cutie can be found across regions from southern Canada to the eastern US. But due to its shy nature, humans rarely spot them during the day. With looks like these, it totally deserves a spot among the most beautiful insects in the world. Number 3, the poodle moth. This moth went viral online, thanks to photos posted by a lepidopterist, a butterfly and moth expert. Nicknamed the poodle moth by netizens, this moth has a body covered in fluffy white fur, big, black eyes, 2 long, brown antennae. Its name is a combination of poodle and moth, and it's easy to see why. Its appearance is so bizarre, it's both scary and adorable at the same time. However, since it's a relatively recent discovery, not much is known about this little creature's background. Still, it's beautiful, and not too creepy either. Number 4, the Atlas moth. Known in Vietnam as the key moth or silver moth, the Atlas moth is famous for its massive size and striking colors. It got its local name because it often lays eggs on starfruit trees, key. Scientifically speaking, this is the largest moth species in Vietnam, and one of the biggest moths in the entire world. This giant moth impresses with a wing surface area of around 400 square centimeters, a wingspan ranging from 25 to 30 centimeters. Clearly, the Atlas moth is a true giant in the butterfly world. It can be found in tropical and subtropical forests, especially in the Malay archipelago. However, this majestic insect is becoming increasingly rare due to environmental changes, widespread use of pesticides, being hunted by collectors. Number 5, dwarf moth. It's called a moth, but it's not really a moth. Even though it looks just like one, scientists actually refer to this insect by a different name, the giant looper caterpillar. But people still call it a night moth because it's most active after midnight. No one knows if it's just a coincidence or not, but the name Luana means moon, hinting at its nocturnal lifestyle, and that just happens to match the moon-like eye spots on its wings. Though it only measures about 3 to 4 centimeters long, it has a genius self-defense strategy. First off, its natural coloring helps it blend seamlessly into the leaves of its host plant, making it invisible even to predators with sharp eyes. But if it's unlucky enough to get spotted, say, by an owl with piercing vision, it'll secrete a foul-smelling liquid to convince potential predators, "Hey, I stink. Go find something else to eat." Now that is what you call beauty with brains. Number 6. Sunset Moth from Madagascar. Sunsets are already beautiful, but a sunset moth? Even more so, especially this stunning Madagascar species. When it comes to looks, not just among moths but across all insects, this one is top tier. Endemic to the island of Madagascar, it's considered by experts as one of the most visually striking and fascinating insects in the world. With a wingspan ranging from 6 to 9 centimeters, the sunset moth features a dazzling display of colors: sky blue, green, yellow, orange, red, purple, even black and white, creating an irresistible visual charm. What's extra cool is that its wings don't actually contain any pigments. The vibrant colors come from light refraction and structural effects on the wing surfaces. That means its colors can shift depending on your viewing angle, the surroundings, and even the time of day. It's world famous, even landing in the top 3 of global insect beauty contests, no joke, which is why it's a prized catch for wealthy collectors. And fair enough, it's beautiful and it knows it. Number 7. Spiny Flower Mantis. When it comes to stunning and strange, the spiny flower mantis is a solid number 2 because no other insect dares to be number 1. True to its name, it looks just like a vibrant flower that could make anyone stop and stare. But look closely, and you'll see that this flower has thorns. Its scientific name is Pseudocreobatra wahlbergii. These mantises are usually white with beautiful yellow and green patterns. Once mature, they grow bright markings that resemble yellow eyes. Like most mantises, the spiny flower mantis is a voracious eater, even cannibalistic at times. One unique trait of the females is that they carry an egg sac 3 times larger than any other part of their body. These mantises don't thrive in humid environments, as they're easily affected by toxins. Typically, females are larger than males, and that's true for this species too. Want to tell male from female? Just check the beard. As the old saying goes, beards don't just show who's a man, they show who's not a woman. So basically, if it has a long, full beard, it's definitely male. Despite their dazzling appearance, these mantises are lethal predators with lightning-fast reflexes that leave prey no chance to escape. But surprisingly, they're also lazy hunters who prefer to lie in wait until prey enters their line of sight, only then do they strike. Number 8. Lanternfly. Next up is a creature that's neither fully an elephant nor fully a bug, and yet, it's considered a flying insect? Yup, meet the lanternfly, aka the peanut-headed bug, one of the most colorful and bizarre yet ruthless insects in Vietnam's ecosystem. The golden-winged lanternfly, Fulgura laternaria, is seen as a stunning natural masterpiece, especially due to its long snout, which grows out of its head. That trunk is actually an elongated mouth used to suck sap from plants. Calling it beautiful might not feel totally accurate, not until it takes flight. That's when it shows off every elegant curve of its body. Just look at those flowing lines, even supermodels at 6 feet tall would be jealous. Seriously, this bug slays the runway. This incredible creature, often described as a unique work of nature, can be found in Vietnam's Binh Phuc province. And wow, in just 10 minutes, we've introduced you to some of the weirdest, most beautiful creatures out there. And there's more. With over 1 million insect species identified so far, many more remain hidden, known only through rare sightings or the occasional blurry photo. So if you ever stumble across an insect that's even more stunning, don't keep it to yourself. Drop a comment below and share it with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.